I hope you all enjoy your weekend of cowboy boots, kettle corn, and a little bit of kicked up dust, settling on the countryside right in our own backyard. This morning, as part of our Western experience, you will be witnessing the Brawley's 57th annual Cattle Call Parade presented by the Brawley Chamber of Commerce. It's another year, another cheer for one of the largest and finest parades in the entire Southwest. This year's theme is Brawley Cattle Call Rodeo Dreams.
It's the best place to be on Saturday. We were talking, if we ever move away, we're gonna really miss it. It's I don't know, it's amazing. It's cool to see everyone get together and have a little country day.
I think it's awesome how everyone comes together and just have a good time. I like it. It's cool. Yeah. Honestly, I like when they those little girls that tumble. But I can't see because I'm in the parade, but that's also cool how we get to be out here. Yeah. We were on the flow representing Brawley, cheerleaders and football players since they won the bell game.
More often. This is home. I like seeing the little kids. I have nieces that like to do gymnastics and stuff like that, so I mean that's always really nice to see. It's really cute.